Juliana, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you playing in the sink? Are you helping Mommy do the dishes? Yeah, it's clean, folks. It's been wiped down with medical grade disinfecting wipes. Oh, trying to pull the plug out. Yep. You can't get it? You want all the water out? Yep. That's a heavy one, isn't it? Ooh, makes a cool noise. I'll put this one in the dishwasher. This is our cool little new learning tower. You can climb up into it. Yeah. Are you done in the sink? Juliana, you all done? What do you see? The garbage bag? Yeah. Are you all done in the sink? You want to turn it on a little bit? So you learn how to pull it up. Very cool, huh? You turn it off. Off. On. Back. The water's drained is back. Turn it on. Now your hands are wet. Ready? Off. Put it back on. Please. Put it back on. There we go. Pull the plug. Ready? Pull this out. Here. All the water's gonna go goodbye. Yeah? I think, well, we have a different one for that, but it fits in there. Okay, you ready to put those in the dishwasher? Ready to put them in? Okay, let's clean up.